We want to hear from you, and we also want to give you the opportunity to have your testimonial featured here on the TubeBuddy YouTube channel. Hello TubeBuddies, we're always working on showcasing our community, and we want to promote you and your successes that you're finding with TubeBuddy. We're collecting TubeBuddy video testimonials, and we'd love to open up this opportunity to collaborate with you watching. In the past, we used to only do video testimonials at events, but what we realized is that we were limiting the opportunity to showcase our amazing TubeBuddy community, and that's why we're expanding it now. We're looking for video testimonials that are no longer than 3 minutes in length and answer the questions that are found in the Google Doc down below. However, we are still collecting testimonials at events in person, so if you're going to any of the events listed in the description down below, come look for us at the TubeBuddy booth to give your video testimonial. To submit your TubeBuddy video testimonial, all you have to do is in the Google Doc in the description, link to your unlisted TubeBuddy video testimonial, and we will review it, and if you're included, let you know. We're going to be using these video testimonials for marketing materials, promotions, and of course, feature your name and YouTube channel prominently in the video. We also have plans to work with all of you who submit a TubeBuddy video testimonial on future TubeBuddy projects and more. We can't wait to watch and review your TubeBuddy testimonial videos. Do you want to be updated on all things TubeBuddy and get involved in our community? Subscribe today and ring that bell. I'm Andrew Cam from TubeBuddy, and we can't wait to see your video testimonials.